Hello, welcome to Some Dude's Kitchen. I am just some dude. Today we are making cold brew coffee. It's something that I've seen gain enough popularity that they're actually selling it in the store now. But this way is cheaper. I also think it's a lot better. And I'm going to tell you things you can use to try it if you don't have a fancy infusion pitcher. Which, if you go looking for these on Amazon, the cold coffee brewer one is the exact same as the tea one, and the tea one is usually about $5 less. The difference is the name. So you need to have a pitcher of some kind, any kind of pitcher. You need a filter, and you can use a coffee filter, put the coffee inside of it and tie it up like a tea bag, and put it in the pitcher. And then you're going to need coffee and cold water. So first thing you need to do is to grab cold water. I'm just grabbing water right now. So we have a water filter in the fridge. You want to make sure that you use the coldest water you possibly can while doing this. It's still going. There. So, there we are. Pitcher of water. Close the fridge. Alright, coffee. So you put your coffee in the filter. Oh, I'm going to move this so you can see it a little bit better. There we go. Coffee filter. And there we are. The window's open and there's a strong breeze, so it keeps wanting to knock the filter over since it's light without anything in it. Right, and you just put as much coffee in your filter as you normally would if you were brewing it hot. And since it's still fall time, none spilled, we're good. So since it's fall time, I'm also going to make it pumpkin coffee, which I talked about in another video. Also works for brewing hot too, so I got some pumpkin spice, cloves, cinnamon, which cinnamon is my favorite spice ever. So if you don't really like cinnamon, probably shouldn't put as much into things that I do. There we are. All right, close up your filter, put it in the water. And if you have one like this, you want to make sure that you dip it like this a few times. Otherwise, not all of the coffee will be used. It'll still be bone dry, and your coffee won't be as strong. Give it a good shake, put it in the fridge. It will be delicious in 24 hours.